So I finally made it to Luxor here in Egypt, and I decided to take a day off from running so I can be able to explore a bit of this beautiful ancient city. And I've decided to go to the Valley of the Kings. These tombs are incredibly beautiful. They're all handcrafted. They took a very long time to craft. So to get into the tombs, you purchase a ticket for about 480 Egyptian pounds, and that allows you into 3 different tombs. But to get access to the other additional more popular tombs like King Tutankhamun, and this is his mummy, which is quite small for what I expected, but he died at the age of 19, and his tomb was not fully completed, and you can see, but it's extremely beautiful as explored. And once we finished that, I went we traveled to go to see how they create the art using the alabaster material, and I got involved as well.